Oh, goodness. Hi, everyone. It's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and I'm sitting here on a crooked surface, not intentionally. There we go. Uh, Today is Friday. Friday. Yeah, it's Friday. Oh, goodness. So for today's video, I'm on the couch again, but it is my comfy couch, and it is so nice here. I really enjoy it here because this is where I crochet most of the time. And I have finished my luck of the draw number 6 for this week, which I believe is week number 8. Excuse me. Good news, our good friend Nan, who normally does, Nan from Nan's Next Knots, who normally does the luck of the draw, she's done the previous 5, is ill, and she is getting better. She is finally on the mend, and we're really, really glad to hear that. I've heard that she's popped into Zoom even, which is the first time in a while. And I'm sorry that I missed you, Nan. But love to you, and I'm so glad that you're feeling better. Can't wait to see your little face. So Trisha's doing the number drawing this time, and she's no longer on the bad list. She's on the good list because she found my number 4. And it is lavender. Well, not lavender. It is purple. It is one of my favorite shades of purple. And I chose purple because these are very autumnal colors, as you can see. All the changing leaf colors. And then the blue sky and the purple hues when it, in the fall around here, you see a lot of purple and blue in the sky as the sun is setting. So I grabbed a purple. Besides, purple's my favorite color, and I had to put it in there. So I totally love it. So now we've had 6 of the 8 colors. So the 2 colors that we have not had, and we could have purple again many times, and I would be okay with it. This is a Dreamweaver yarn. It's really soft, and I like it. Some of the Dreamweavers aren't real soft. I think they're Red Heart. Like I said, I've said that before. They were just relabeled. This one is a soft one. Some of them are not so soft, but they do soften just like Red Heart once you wash it. So I can't imagine what this would feel like once it's washed because it's already pretty soft. But the other two, I have, I have some, I love this yarn. I have some Big Twist. I have that yarn. But these are both, I love this yarn. The 2 colors that we have not used yet in my blanket. This would be taupe, and this orangey one is called, it's a secret, burnt pumpkin. So these are the 2 colors that still need to go in my blankie. And yeah, some of the oranges look real similar, but they're not. So like this one looks like it could go be either of these 2. But it is not either of those 2 because that's this one. See, they are different shades. These 2 are really close. But they are different. You can tell. This one is, I love this yarn in the color Desert Glaze. And this one is Carrot from Red Heart. But they are different. You can tell. So, now, Trish, we need either, now I forget which 2 I don't have. Burnt pumpkin. So number 1 and number 5. Either color. Either number. 1 or 5, Trish. 1 or 5. That's what we're looking for. Nancy, don't let her pull any of those shenanigans. Because I called her out on the shenanigans. And I said she was trying to do a Nancy shenanigan. And all of a sudden I got my color. So, no more shenanigans. We need 1s and 5s. And another number 4. But not next week for number 4 because that would look really funny. So, that's the blanket. That's all I have for you today. Tonight, Chloe is coming over. And her boyfriend and her best girlfriend and I are going to Cedar Point, which is an amusement park in Sandusky, Ohio. And they have Hallow weekends. So they get it all. You can do regular amusement park stuff during the day, and then like at 5 o'clock or something, they shut down the park for a little while and they get out all their Halloween stuff. I guess costume changes and what have you for the employees. At least I think it's open on Fridays during the day. It might not be now that it's fall. And but anyway, it opens at 6 o'clock for Halloween weekends. And so we are going to go there and do some haunted houses and whatever kind of spooky ride things they have going on there. I tried to go last year, but every time I wanted to go, it rained us out. So it's supposed to be a little chilly, I think near 50-ish. So I'll dress warm and I will take some video and show you tomorrow, hopefully, what I saw today. So I hope it's a good time. I'm really flattered that the kids want to include me in their outing. Or maybe I included them in mine. I'm not sure. I kind of included Chloe, and then it went from there. But it's going to be fun to be hanging out with the kids. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I promise I won't let myself get hurt on any of those rides. It'll break my back and give me whiplash. I'm not going to ride any of those. Anyway, have a good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.